Hey there, this is Jeff again. Welcome back to my page, my group, my channel, whatever you want to call it, that's Sportster Life. Today we are going to do an oil change on my 2022 Iron 883. I just got into the garage. I let it run for about 5 minutes to warm up the oil just so it drains easier. So let's get right into it. First, let's start about showing you what tools and stuff you'll need. First, you're going to need your oil filter, your oil. Takes 2.8 quarts. I went to AMSOIL 2050. And a screwdriver, channel locks, and of course your oil pan. Alright, first things first, you're going to want to open up your oil tank just so you don't create any type of vacuum. And go over here. I already loosened this. This is usually clipped up right there. I took the clip off and just kind of slid the drain hose down to the side. And this is where you're going to need the screwdriver. This little clamp here holds your drain plug in. It just comes off very easily. And you're going to want to drain your oil. It's going to take a while. Yeah, definitely needed it. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's just down to a very slow drip. So a minute, and then put the plug back in and move the oil pan to the front of the bike. Put your clamp back on. Wipe and take that back up there. Alright, next, let's put this up here. Alright, so guys, what I did here, I just made in kind of like a trough. And there are, Harley Davidson does make specific type of wrenches to remove these, but I'm just going to use channel locks. And just make sure you have everything in your inventory before you go ahead and do this, because you might wreck your old one. And watch this as the oil is just going to start coming out. Yeah, definitely need to change. So there. Leave that there for a minute to drain out. Alright, so while that's doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and get the new filter ready to go back on. Alright, so there's my new filter there. So when you do this, you're supposed to put a little bit of oil in your new filter, so that's what we're gonna do next. Maybe about half full. That's about it. Alright, so I think that's all drained out, so remove that. There for now. Let's clean that up. And let's put the new filter on. I say with your filter, it's only supposed to go hand tight and plus a quarter turn, so that's what we're going to do. Do your best. You definitely don't want to cross thread this. It should go on nice and easy. Alright, so that's hand tight, and then quarter turn from there. That's it. Alright, so I got the oil drained, a new filter on. Let's go ahead and fill it up. 2.5 quarts, and I'll turn it on, check the level, and make sure and just top it up from there. This is about 2.5. Put that on. So when you go ahead and restart, your oil light should go off. Perfect. I'm just gonna let that run for a minute and see where we're at on the dipstick. Oh, my dog came out. Roxy, come here, come here, come here. Here's my dog, Roxy. Yeah, she's fun. Alright, so give me 1 second, guys. Halfway between the fill and full line, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just top it up with the rest of the oil. And just check it one more time. Yeah, we're full. Alright guys, that is it. That's how you do an oil change on an Iron Sportster 883. Alright, there we go. Yeah, like I said, as you can see, there's not much to it. It's only about a 10-minute job. Just gotta clean up now, and that's it. Alright guys, thank you again for joining me this evening. Checking out my videos. Again, this is going to be stuff about work I'm doing on my bike and rides I go on. So I think my next video will probably be a ride I'll be going on. It's probably going to be going up north, probably to Batchewana Bay area, or possibly into Michigan. Haven't decided yet. May go solo, may go with a buddy. We'll see. Anyway, ciao for now. Again, like and subscribe. Thanks for checking my channel. That's Sportster Life. See you guys.